Welcome to Not Totaled Garage. I've talked about this car before. I told you it was the next victim to the fleet. It's not even a victim. She is rough, ladies and gentlemen. I bought this car in 2010. Drove it for 12 years. 12 years this car never let me down. 12 years this car was a rock. And I couldn't sit there and watch her fall apart and rot away. Even though she's a little messed up right now, she's gonna come back. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to Project Not Forgotten Civic. She's a little rough. I ain't gonna lie, she's a lot of rough. Bottom of the doors are starting to rust. It wasn't like that when I sold it 2 or 3 years ago. Rocker panel, rear quarter. I remember when that dent right there happened. I got a lot of memories in this car. 32,500 miles when I bought it. And she has got 2 and some change on her now. Probably like 250 something. So, here in a couple minutes, we're gonna see if we can skid her running. She ain't ran in over a year and a half. Stay tuned for that. All right, we're gonna open the door here in a second, but I do want to show you something. Yeah, Juan Taco is still rolling strong. Drive her every day. So let's open her up. Broken door handle, no entry. Oh man, how long I've had those? All right, not terrible, not terrible. Door panel is the fabrics. We're not gonna worry about that. We'll worry about that later. Seat looks like somebody shit in it. It's not bad, we'll fix it, it's not a problem. Painted that shifter thing blue because something spilled on it and it wouldn't go away. Do we have any power with the key? Oh man, I haven't sat in this car in years. No, got nothing. Man, that's rough. Huh. Wonder where the mirror is. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, comes with a free phone charger. Nice. Guys, genuine tape deck. Nice. All right, let's pop the hood. Let's see if she has any of those prehistoric minerals in her. Still got Vanderson. Pissed about that. Also pissed about that and that. Still sitting there. Don't make fun of my garage. Work in progress. So she's missing something. You can see the bumper's missing. Guy I originally sold this to let his girlfriend drive it. And, well, lack of better words, she destroyed it. Man, look at that. Would you look at it? There's a good chance she may or may not have oil in her. So, let's see. All right. She's got the performance cold air intake that I put on there, 5 years ago. I put a transmission in this thing in 21 at 167,791 miles. Guys, let's see if she has any of those minerals in her. You know, those rare earth minerals? Oh, she's full. I'll give her a wipe and re-dip. Sometimes you got to double dip, guys. Sometimes you got to double dip. So let's see when we double dip. We is full. Hell, let's put a battery charger or a battery jumper on her and let's crank on her, shall we? Not a sponsor of the channel, but guys, if you have not used one of these no-cos, look at this thing. This thing is badass. I am filming this while holding it, so this is going to be a terrible video. Remember, positive goes to positive. Always remember that. Damn, that ground cable does not look good. I'm gonna have to replace that. Guys, I know this car looks rough, and I know people are probably thinking I'm absolutely freaking nuts. But you'd have to be in the journey with this car with me. You'd have to be in it. Let's give her some juices, because she is stone ass dead. Stone ass dead. We'll move this so it don't get succulated in there and foul anything up. Well, let's see what she's got for miles, shall we? Well, we got beepage. We got beepage. Let's see what we got for miles. 229,000 miles. Here we go. Dead. Stone cold dead. That's always fun. Fucking window work? Okay, the window works. Is the motor locked up? Or has she just not got enough juice? Stone dead. And I hope the engine's not locked up. That would be sad. Might not have enough in her to start her. Huh. Let me pause for a moment. I'll be back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I had to get down there and twist on the old crank bolt. Needed both hands. Sorry. She was a little stuck. Not gonna lie. A little stuck. She ain't ran in a while, so let's see what happens, shall we? We'll try it now. Nothing. This jump box may not be enough. So, let's see. We got the battery charger 6,000 on it. We're putting 14 volts straight to it. We're gonna see what happens here in a few minutes. I gotta let her charge. So, be kind of sad if this thing's junk. I mean, I could definitely probably take some parts off of it, but I really didn't want to do that to it. I had plans. And if those plans go sideways, I'm in trouble. But if they go sideways, just saying, plan B. My garage is a wreck, guys. I had surgery twice last year. I had my hip replaced last January, and then I had my knee cut on last November. Yeah, not a fan. So we're gonna give this a few to see if we can get some charge out of it and go from there. All right, I got tired of waiting. It's got a stupid start in it. I pulled the battery out of my other Civic. Let's see if she'll start. Tired of playing games. I got things to do. Come on, girl. Nope. I think she got a bad starter. Or the engine's just that locked up. Oh, what do you do? What do you do? What is a fella to do? What is a fella to do? I mean, I'm gonna set you guys right here. I'm gonna grab my little regulator. Spin it over a couple of times. That way you can see that she is not locked up. Maybe. Glad I don't gotta drive this home. Oh. Oh, something is locked up. Okay. What? I don't want to cut the belt off of it, but I will if I have to. The belts are relatively new. Can we see the alternator spinning? Starter stuck engaged. Okay. pressing. Maybe she just doesn't have enough juice. The battery has been sitting for a minute too. So we'll throw the jumper on that as well and see what happens. This thing's gonna start one way or another. Oh, she got juice. She got juice. What the fuck? Smack on that starter a couple of times. Wraps with a hammer. She ain't gonna start. Nope. Just talking about how this car never let me down. Just let me down right now. Grab another key and we'll find out. Sorry you guys have been looking at the engine bay for a minute. Valet key. I'm gonna get the original key. Well, the other key did absolutely nothing. But I tell you, I used to own this car. I've got the original key tag from where I bought it. I've had this car that long, or I did have this car that long. So guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna have to get a starter, I believe. I'll probably take the ignition coils out and squirt some juice down in there and let it sit. But for now, she's gonna sit here for a few days. Can't afford a starter right off the bat, so, you know, I'm a baller on a budget. This thing got 4 brand new tires on it. Brand new tires on a shitty ass car. It's not a shitty car. I love you, Anel. That's her name, by the way, is Anel. Some of you might get that reference from a movie. If you do, leave it down in the comment section. But ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. I've worked 12 hours. I've got my handy dandy rusty trusty car home. That is not so rusty and so trusty right now. And that's what it is. Thank you for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, you should. We're getting ready to do some amazing things. Stay tuned. Thank you for being here. And guys, get out there and build something. Come on, do it. You could end up with a taco like that. Thank you for watching.